Millions of people every week all over the planet buy a lottery ticket. Some dream of a new home, others of paying off their debts or retiring early. But behind that illusion lies an uncomfortable truth. The probability of winning is so low that you could live 1,000 lifetimes and still never hit the jackpot. So is it worth spending your money on the lottery to get rich? Today we're going to analyze it from all angles. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you with real numbers what would happen if you invested your lottery money in something more productive. History and culture of the lottery. Origin. Lotteries have been around for over 2,000 years. Raffles were already used in ancient China to finance the construction of the Great Wall. In Europe, the first modern lotteries appeared in the 15th century to finance wars or public projects. Example, the Spanish National Lottery, 1812, was created to raise funds during the war against Napoleon. Today, it's a cultural phenomenon. Spain. The Christmas lottery is almost a family tradition. United States, huge lines when the Powerball jackpot rakes in billions. Japan, tickets with lucky numbers and superstitions. This explains why we keep playing. It's not just about money, it's also about culture and shared hope. Probabilities explained with clear examples. Euromillions, 1 in 139 million. Powerball, 1 in 292 million. Comparison, being struck by lightning, 1 in 1 million. Dying from a meteorite, 1 in 74 million. Becoming President Prime Minister, much more likely than winning the jackpot. Real-life example, if you filled a stadium with 292 million balls and only one had a red dot, that would be your chance of winning the Powerball. People underestimate how impossible it really is to win. Winners' cases, the heads and tails. Positive cases, Mavis Wanchik, United States 2017. Earned $758 million, stopped working, and secured her retirement. The Gordo Christmas lottery in Spain. Entire communities celebrate together, and the money is shared among neighbors. Negative cases, Jack Whittaker, United States 2002, earned $315 million, ended up ruined by mismanagement, lawsuits, and family pressure. Abraham Shakespeare, United States, earned $30 million and was murdered. Making a lot of money all at once doesn't guarantee happiness or security. Sometimes it brings more problems. The real cost of playing. Practical example, if you spend €10 a week on the lottery, that's €520 a year. In 20 years, that's €10,400. If you invest that money at 8% per year, index fund, it would become more than €25,000. Conclusion, the lottery is, in reality, a tax on the poor, or, as economists say, a tax on hope. The psychology of the lottery. Why do we keep playing when we know it's nearly impossible? We think we're luckier than others. The lottery effect. The hope of radical change is more attractive than slow progress. Emotional advertising. Ads that show hugs, happy families, friends celebrating. Example, Christmas lottery ads in Spain go viral every year, even though most people don't win anything. Lottery alternatives. If you're looking for wealth, the lottery isn't the solution. More realistic options, long-term investment, index funds, stocks, ETFs. Saving for a specific goal, housing, retirement. Extra income, freelancing, digital businesses, rentals, financial education, reading, training, learning how to manage money. Example, a person who invests €50 a month instead of spending it on the lottery can accumulate more than €70,000 with compound interest in 30 years. Is it worth it then? It depends on how you look at it. As entertainment? Yes, just like paying to see a movie. As a plan to get rich? Absolutely not. The lottery sells fantasies, not real plans for wealth. If you want to change your financial life, don't rely on luck. Invest in yourself, your skills, and your decisions. Real wealth doesn't come by chance. It comes through strategy. Subscribe to the channel if you want more content that helps you grow your money for real without waiting for miracles.